Ginagawa mo.
Good day, Ma'am Claudette Saison. This is my video presentation in subject Purposive Communication. So, I'm Jerome M. Vidal, a criminology student of ABC. Today, in this video, I will discuss about communication model. So, what is communication model and who developed it? Models of communication are conceptual models used to explain the human communication process. The first major model for communication was developed in 1948 by Claude Shannon and published with an introduction by Warren Weaver for Bell Laboratories. Following the basic concept, communication is the process of sending and receiving message or transferring information from one part to another. There are three types of communication models: the linear, interactional, and transactional models. These are the most well-known models for communication. So, linear models is originally developed by Shannon and Weaver in 1948. This model describes communication as a linear process. This model describes how a sender or a speaker transmit a message to a receiver or listener. In the move to a more dynamic view of communication, interaction models follow two channels in which communication and feedback flow between sender and receiver. And the transactional models is the most dynamic of communication models. One notable feature of this model is move from referring to people as senders and receivers to referring to a people as communicators. I have here my illustration of a communication model. It is a one-to-group communication. One-to-group communication, it involves a speaker who seeks to inform, persuade, and motivate an audience. I have some examples to this, such as a teacher and a class students, a preacher and a congregation, a speaker and an assembly of people in the auditorium, and a mother telling her kids what is right and what is wrong. So I choose a teacher and a class students. So in one-to-group communication, we have the source and then the receivers. For example, if the source give the instruction to the receivers, it could be the message. And then channel is a passageway, a means of access for a thing or a communication or an idea. And then feedback is the response of an audience to a message or activity. I can say that communication models are very important, and it has always been an integral part of the education sector, which has made it to be better place for our students and teachers. So that's all for today, and thanks for watching.